Your Porsche was built to perform at the highest level possible, and that incredible performance depends on consistent maintenance throughout the years. Skip the wrong service and you could face serious engine damage, brake failure, or repair bills climbing into the thousands. Here are 7 services your Porsche absolutely needs. Number 7. Tire and wheel maintenance. Your tires are the only thing connecting your Porsche to the road. Every bit of power, every turn, every stop goes through those 4 contact patches. When tires wear unevenly or alignment drifts off, you lose grip, handling suffers, and your expensive rubber wears out way faster than it should. Porsche recommends rotating tires every 5,000 to 10,000 miles. If you don't have staggered tire sizes, depending on your driving habits and local road conditions in your area, alignment checks should happen at least once a year or whenever you notice pulling or uneven wear patterns developing on your tread. This is especially important for 911 owners since the rear engine layout puts extra stress on the inside back tires. You might notice the rears wearing down much quicker than the fronts if you drive aggressively or take corners hard. For Cayenne and Macan owners, all-season tires in northern states deal with salt and rough roads that can throw off alignment fast. Check your tires after hitting potholes or curbs because even small impacts can mess with your suspension geometry and lead to bigger problems down the road. The cost for rotation runs about $100 to $200 at most shops. Alignment checks and adjustments usually cost around $150. These are small prices compared to replacing a set of Porsche tires early because of neglect. Some owners skip rotations thinking it saves money, but they end up buying new tires thousands of miles sooner than necessary. Number 6. Fluids, battery, and filters. Beyond oil and coolant, your Porsche has several other fluids and components that need regular attention to keep everything running properly. Brake fluid tops the list because it absorbs moisture from the air over time. That moisture lowers the boiling point of the fluid, which means under hard braking, your pedal can get soft or spongy. For anyone doing track days or spirited driving through canyon roads, this becomes a safety issue fast. Porsche recommends flushing brake fluid every 2 years, regardless of mileage. This costs around $300 to $400 at most dealerships. The air filter needs replacement every 20,000 miles and runs about $100. Your battery should be tested annually, especially if you live somewhere with extreme temperatures. Hot summers in Texas and Arizona are brutal on batteries. Cold winters in Minnesota and Michigan can kill a weak battery overnight when you least expect it. A Porsche dealership typically charges between $400 and $700 for a standard AGM battery replacement, including parts and labor. For specific models, such as the 991, 997, or Cayenne, costs can range from $200 to over $1,500, depending on whether it is a standard or specialized lithium-ion battery. Some owners try to save money with generic batteries, but Porsche electrical systems are sensitive to voltage fluctuations. The wrong battery can cause warning lights and electrical gremlins that frustrate you endlessly. Stick with OEM spec parts and save yourself the headache of chasing phantom problems through your car. Number 5. Spark plug replacement. Spark plugs create the spark that ignites fuel in your engine. When they wear out, you get misfires, rough idling, poor fuel economy, and that annoying check engine light showing up on your dashboard. Porsche engines run high compression ratios, which puts extra stress on plugs, so they wear out faster than in regular daily driver cars. The replacement interval is every 30,000 miles or 3 years for most models. Some turbocharged engines can stretch to 40,000 miles, but check your specific model requirements. Ignoring worn spark plugs creates bigger problems downstream. Misfires send unburned fuel into your catalytic converters, which can damage them over time. Replacing catalytic converters costs $2,000 or more on a Porsche. spark plug replacement runs $1,000 to $1,700 or more because of labor costs, with some models like the GTS 4.0 costing even higher. Porsche flat engines have the plugs tucked in tight spots that take time to access properly. The 911 needs iridium plugs, which cost more but last longer than standard copper plugs. Cayenne V8 models can go 60,000 miles between changes. Macan 4-cylinder engines also run 60,000-mile intervals. After fresh plugs go in, you will notice crisper throttle response and smoother power delivery. That signature Porsche feel comes back when the ignition system works properly. Number 4. Transmission and PDK service. Porsche Doppelkupplung, the PDK dual-clutch transmission, delivers lightning-fast shifts that make these cars so incredibly fun to drive. PDK transmissions use two different types of fluids in separate non-mixing compartments, one for the hydraulic control and clutch system, and another for the gear and differential lubrication. These require distinct service intervals to maintain optimal performance. PDK clutch fluid, often Pentacin FFL3, operates the wet clutch packs, manages gear shifts, and cools the clutches. This fluid is highly sensitive and requires precise filling, often requiring a PIWIS diagnostic tool. A separate gear oil lubricates the internal gears and differential, similar to a traditional manual transmission. Porsche recommends clutch fluid changes every 40,000 miles or 4 years. The gear oil requires replacement less frequently. Full PDK service, including fluid and filter replacement, should happen every 60,000 miles or 6 years. All-wheel drive vehicles such as the 997.2 Turbo S or Macan may have a third type of fluid specifically for the front differential or transfer case. Skip this service and you risk slipping clutches, delayed shifts, and eventually transmission failure. PDK repairs cost anywhere from $4,000 to $10,000 depending on what breaks inside the unit. Los Angeles traffic, Houston highways, and other congested US cities are especially hard on transmissions. Stop-and-go driving generates heat that accelerates fluid breakdown significantly. If you commute in heavy traffic daily, consider more frequent fluid changes to protect your investment. The service costs $800 to $4,000 depending on what your specific transmission needs. Always use Porsche-approved fluid because aftermarket products can void your warranty and cause shift quality problems. GT models with PDK need computer resets after fluid changes to recalibrate shift points for optimal performance. Older Cayenne models with Tiptronic automatic transmissions need fluid flushes every 50,000 miles. Owners who maintain their PDK properly report 200,000 miles or more without major issues. The system rewards attention with incredible reliability and performance. Number 3. Coolant system service. Porsche engines generate serious heat by design. That thermal load requires a cooling system in perfect working order to prevent overheating, warped cylinder heads, and cracked engine blocks. Coolant does much more than prevent freezing in winter. It transfers heat away from critical components and protects against corrosion inside your engine. The service interval is every 4 years or 40,000 miles, but you should check coolant levels annually. Coolant becomes acidic as it ages, which corrodes aluminum components found throughout Porsche engines. In hot states like Arizona and Nevada, low coolant causes immediate engine shutdowns through the protection system. In cold states, improper coolant mixtures can freeze and burst hoses or crack components when temperatures drop below freezing. Older Cayenne models have plastic coolant pipes that become brittle with age and heat cycling. Ignoring this leads to sudden leaks that can cost $1,500 to $3,000 to fix if the engine overheats before you notice the problem. Water pump inspections during coolant service catch problems before they strand you on the road. Coolant flush service costs $400 to $800 at dealerships, including pressure testing to check for leaks. Use Porsche Pink OAT coolant for modern models because mixing different coolant types causes chemical reactions that reduce effectiveness. Cayenne turbo models generate more heat than standard versions, so some owners flush every 30,000 miles. Macan owners often see thermostat failures around 50,000 miles, which adds about $800 to the service. The 911 has radiators positioned low in the front that collect road debris and bugs. Cleaning them during coolant service maintains proper airflow and cooling efficiency for cross-country drives. Number 2. Brake maintenance. Porsches go fast and they need to stop even faster. Your braking system takes incredible abuse from high-speed driving, and worn components create dangerous situations on mountain passes and crowded interstates. Brake service includes inspecting pads, checking rotors, testing calipers, and monitoring fluid condition throughout the entire system. Porsche recommends brake inspections every 10,000 miles. Pad replacement happens every 20,000 to 30,000 miles, depending on driving style. If you drive aggressively or track your car through PCA events, expect to replace pads more often. The Porsche Club of America crowd burns through pads quickly at autocross and track days because of heavy braking zones. Road salt in northern states accelerates brake corrosion significantly. Seized calipers are a common complaint on Cayenne models from owners in the Rust Belt. Regular inspections catch corrosion early before it becomes expensive to repair. Warning signs include squealing, grinding, vibrations through the pedal, or dashboard warning lights. Ignoring these symptoms leads to warped rotors, which adds over $1,000 to your repair bill. Ceramic composite brakes, called PCCB on GT models, require specialized service to avoid cracking. Those brakes cost $5,000 to $10,000 per axle to replace. Pad replacement at a dealer runs $800 to $1,500 per axle for a 911. Fluid flush adds $200 to $300. Always use OEM pads, because cheap aftermarket options change the brake feel that Porsche engineers spent years perfecting. GT3 and RS models with massive rotors need torque checks after track use to ensure nothing loosens up. Cayenne hybrids have regenerative braking but still need traditional pad swaps around 25,000 miles. Macan S brakes wear faster in city driving, so urban owners should budget for annual pad replacement. Cleaning rotors with brake cleaner during tire rotations extends component life. Group buys through PCA chapters can save money on quality parts. Number 1. Oil changes. This tops the list because engine oil literally keeps your Porsche alive and running strong. Oil lubricates moving parts, cools internal components, cleans away contaminants, and protects against the extreme heat that high-revving Porsche engines produce. Skip oil changes and you get sludge buildup, increased friction, and eventually catastrophic engine failure that ends driving fun permanently. Porsche recommends oil and filter changes every 10,000 miles or once per year using synthetic oil meeting their specifications. Mobil 1 and Porsche-approved equivalents work well for these engines. For US owners dealing with stop-and-go traffic in New York, Los Angeles, or Chicago, that city driving accelerates oil breakdown beyond what highway cruising would cause. Dirty oil reduces fuel efficiency by up to 2%, increases harmful emissions, and causes premature wear on bearings and camshafts. California owners should care about emissions since the state has strict smog testing requirements. Older 911 models before the 991 generation had intermediate shaft bearing issues that poor oil maintenance made worse. IMS bearing failures led to complete engine rebuilds, costing $10,000 to $20,000. Dealership oil changes run $300 to $500 for a 911 or Macan, including synthetic oil and filter. Independent shops charge $200 to $400, but verify they use OEM specification parts to protect your warranty. High-mileage Porsches or track-driven cars benefit from more frequent changes, around 5,000 miles, especially in dusty southwest regions. The 992 generation 911 uses a dry sump lubrication system that requires precise oil levels. Overfilling causes foaming, which reduces oil pressure and protection. Cayenne owners should watch for oil leaks from valve covers, since ignoring those leaks cost $500 to $1,000 to repair later. Macan turbo engines benefit from oil analysis during changes to detect metal particles that signal early turbo wear. Catching turbo problems early prevents failures costing $3,000 or more. Use C40 oil in your recommended viscosity to maintain that signature engine note and smooth power delivery. This single service alone can extend engine life well past 200,000 miles when done consistently.